Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start right away by preparing the essentials. Lay the watch on a soft cloth, grab a spring bar tool and a 1.5 mm pin pusher. You want to inspect where the strap is loose, at the spring bar, clasp, or links, because that decides your method. Use the spring bar tool to compress the bar gently. You should feel it click free. Once done, remove the bar and separate the strap from the lug so you can work on the specific loose point without forcing anything. Now you address the core problem. For metal bands, push the link pins out with the pusher and remove or add links to get the correct fit. Replace pins and ensure they seat flush. For straps with screws, tighten them to secure the clasp. For leather or rubber, shift the buckle to a different hole or carefully punch one more hole, making sure spacing matches. Once you reconfigure links or holes, test the fit and make incremental changes rather than reattach the strap by compressing the spring bar and seating each end into the lug. You should hear or feel a firm click. Make sure the strap lies flat against the wrist and that the clasp closes securely. Tug gently to confirm there is no play. Wear the watch for a day to check comfort and adjust micro settings if needed. If the strap still feels loose, replace the spring bar with a new one of correct thickness or consult a jeweler to avoid damaging lugs or pins.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.